Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fill out USPS Form 1583. So first is the section 1, which is the private mailbox information. So this should state the date the mailbox was opened or the date of sign up. This section can be left blank. Next is the section 2 or CMRA place of business information. This section should state the address and mailbox number of the virtual mailbox that you are intending to use. Next is a section 3 or the type of service requested. You will need to mark this depending on the purpose of mailbox, whether you are intending to use it for personal use or business use. Next is a section 4, which is basically personal information about the applicant, so their last, first, and middle name, and contact telephone number, email address, your street, home address, city, state, zip code, and country. You will also need to check yes if you are court ordered protected individual or not. Next, in the section 5 are information about the authorized individual. So it's their name, telephone number, email address, street home address, city, state, zip code, and county. Section 6 is if transferring PMB mail to another address. So just fill in about these details. And Section 7 contains business organization information. So this section is basically just filled out if Section 3 of the form states the type of service is requested as business or organization use. Basically, if you intend to use the mailbox for business purposes. So just fill in details about this. Next is Section 8, Photo ID information for applicant. So just add in your name, as stated on the ID, applicant ID number, issuing entity, expiration date on the ID, and photo ID type. So next is Section 9, the address ID information for applicant. So just fill in details about the address ID information, and there's a note here that says you cannot present the same ID for both sections of the form. Next is Section 10, Photo ID information for authorized individual, only if applicable. So fill in authorized individual's name, individual's ID number, issuing entity, expiration date, and photo ID type. Section 11 is for address ID information for authorized individual. Once again, only if applicable. So here are the details that you need to provide, and the authorized individual cannot present the same ID for sections 10 and 11. Next is section 12, exceptions for additional recipients of mail. This section is basically used if you would like or need to add other recipients to receive mail items at the mailbox under their own name. Section 13 is the signature of applicant. So add in your signature and date as it was signed. And lastly is the signature of witness. Also add in the date. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!